right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Next, okay, let me just get another page. By the way, if later my my camera goes off, then just ignore the camera. Okay, focus on the
Okay.
focus on the. Okay, over here, yes, you are asked to find the surface area. The technique is yes, bottom, left, right, front, back. For this question, yes, you are right. So there is no top, right? Am I right? There is no top.
Yeah.
So so bottom is a square, very good. Square is L times B mah? Square is side times side, right? L times B is for what?
Oh yeah, rectangle.
Yes, you see? Even though your answer is correct, but your formula is wrong. So you will be penalized. Okay? Then for the left one is triangle. Yes, actually, left, right, front, back, they are all triangles. Huh? I think the height is wrong again. Do you know why or not? So if I extract the triangle out, right, you know what I see? The 37 is where? Can you label? 24 is here, I know. 37, where is 37? Huh? Where is 37? Can you label? Where is 37? Correct. Where's the height? Can you label the height? Actually, I have given you already the dotted line. Yes. So can you see that you need to extract the, the, the right angle triangle out, but in this case, the right angle triangle is this one. So if you extract it out, this will be 37. This will be H. What is this? Can you tell me what is that? What's this? Question mark equal to what? Hello. Question mark equal to what?
24.
24.
12.
Yes. 12. Then with this, what you need to use to find H? How do you find?
A square.
Yes. Can you label the A, B, C now? Actually, you should start with the C. Always start with the C. Yes. Very good. Can you go and find out the C? Oh no. You need to find out the A in this case, the H. You see, two questions. Two questions that ask you to get the H, the height. And you need to use the Pythagoras Theorem. Actually, the A square plus B square equals to C square. This is called the Pythagoras Theorem. So you have two questions. One is the cone, and then this one is the pyramid. By the way, this is called the pyramid. 是吗?
Yeah.
And I remember you keep talking about, you learn about pyramid also. So now I'm showing you how to get the surface area pyramid. Your strategy is correct, but the height is wrong because you take 37 as the height, which is not the 37 is not the height. 37 is this side. The height is actually this one, which you need to use the Pythagoras theorem, which is your A in this case. It looks good. I think it's 35.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So the height is 35. So you replace your 37 with 35, 35, 35, and 35. And then you will get all the new answer. Then you just add up. Okay? No need to do. No need to do. So we just talk about the wait. What they say, okay, never mind. Good. Can you see they say the Vy is 37. Vy is 37, that means here. So this is the side. Not the height is actually this one. That's why I that's why. So when it comes to the exam next time, right? If you get a questions like this, you need to draw this out, and you also need to draw this out, so that people know what you are doing. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, you take this out first, then after that you extract the right angle triangle out. Then you start to do the A. So this is your step 3. Okay, then you get the A. Actually, you should write the H equals to A equals to 35. Understand? Understand or not? Then after that, you move this whole chunk of thing below. So that's your 4th. Okay? Can? Okay, good. Next. What if they tell you, okay, in this case, right? What if they tell you, they say, this container is without the, this container is without the top. Actually, you should use the word top here, because this is the top. This is the top, right?
Yeah.
So what if they tell you there is no top? That means no lid. There is no lid. 没有盖. No lid. Do you think you still consider the top or not? If no lid one.
No.
Yeah. So if there's no lid, you don't have to do the top. Understand?
Yeah.
But this question, I think there is a lid, They will tell you one. So there is a lid, so you need to consider the top. Not bottom, top, Okay?
Okay.
You don't anyhow use the word, Okay, good. Next. Let's go to the next question. Let me extract it out. 6. Page 6. I'm going to extract page 6 out. Yeah, I'm going to move it up. Oh no, move it down. That's the reason why I like about this mirror, because I can just move things up and down. Okay, good. So the question is question 8. 为什么没有做 question 8？ 有吗？有 okay. So you divide by 1000, then you divide by 100. Okay, good. You get the 1 cm to 4 kilometer already. So what they ask, they say 23.6, so it's times this, so this one also must times this. Very good. Then the area, so what's the area formula? Very good. So you get 0.5, so it's divided by 2, so you divide by 2. Very good. So the area of on another, how do you do this question? So the area of the map on another map has an area of 4 cm, right?
Yeah.
Wait, I think you are wrong. Why? What's the actual size? The actual size is 8 kilometers square, right? So actual area is 8 kilometers square, right? Right?
Yes.
So then now they say the map size is 4 cm. This is the map size, map area. So the map area is 4, the actual is 8, so it's 4 cm cubed to 8 kilometer square, right? So you can divide by 4, right? Then you get what? You get 1 cm to 2 kilometer square, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then after that you square root. So you square root this, you get 1 cm. You square root this, you get square root 2 kilometer. Yep. So this is, but they want into cm, right? Then you just, how do you convert this to cm? Square root times 1000 first. This is meter. Then continue, square root times 1000 times another 100. Then you get to cm. So you just use your calculator, then you get the answer already. Does it make sense? Because the map area is 4 cm, then 4 cm square, then the actual area is 8 kilometers square. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, this one. How many sides is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon, correct. You don't spell wrongly. So over here, how do you find 6 minus and then you divide by 6? Very good. ACD, where's ACD? Can you label ACD for me to see? You never even label ACD. Or did you label ACD? Can you use a different color? Can you use a red color label? ACD? This one, ACD. You question mark. You label properly, okay? You label properly. Where's AC? Correct. Actually, it's the small one, not the entire one. So it's just this part. Okay, can I ask you a question? A, B, C. This is 120. Okay, so AB is equal to BC, right? So this is isos, right? Can you see it's isos? Can you see it's isos?
Yes.
So if it's isos, what is this small one? A small one here. Maybe I use a different color. What's the small one here? Huh? Are you working it out? What's the small one? So that means what is this one? Isos. What's the purple one?
60.
Huh? The purple one is 60?
Wait. 30.
30, correct. So if the purple one is 30, and this whole thing is 120, the red one is 120 minus 30, so it's 90. So that's how you get 90 for ACD. Does it make sense now?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how you get. 还有吗？还有题吗？ Okay, next. I think last page already. Oh, by the way, have you gotten another set of revision materials? Yes or no?
Yeah, I'll check first.
Okay, never mind. We finish question 6, then you check, can you?
Okay.
Okay, good. So what do you see here? I think you see a few shapes. Can you see there is a semicircle? Can you see that? Yes or no? Can you see a semicircle here? Hey, I'm here there. Can you move your cursor up? I'm here there.
Yeah.
Can you see a semicircle here?
Yes.
And what else you see? Can you see a square? Can you see a square or not?
Yes.
Good. That's it. So this is called a prism. Okay? Why is it a prism? How do you cut it so that you have a uniform layer? Can you show me how you cut this one in order to have the uniform layer? Draw it on the figure itself. Hmm? Do you want to cut it this way? Or you want to cut it this way? Or you want to cut it this way? So that you have the uniform layer. Which way?
That.
Very good. So you have decided to cut it like this in order to have the uniform layer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So the question you always ask yourself is which way you want to cut it. So you want to cut it this way, right? Am I right? Okay, good. So if you want to cut it this way, then the cross section area is actually this part. Does it make sense? Because you tell me, hey, I want to cut it this way, right? So when you cut it this way, the area that you cut out is this one, no? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how do you find the area of this one? Figure 1, figure 2. So what is the figure 1? Area of what? Figure 1 is the area of what? Figure 1.
Semicircle.
Very good, semicircle. Then figure 2,
Square.
Okay. So you need to do it one by one. Okay, I think the square is pretty easy because it's 20, 20. So it's just 20 times 20. So it's 400 cm squared. Clear? So area of semicircle, how? What's the formula? Do you know that area of semicircle is area of circle divided by 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so you find the area of circle first. So what is the area of circle? So I don't want to find the semicircle. I want to find the circle first. Area of circle, how? Formula? What's the area of pi? R square. Okay, what's the R in this case? Look at the figure. What's the R? So this is 20. This is 20. What's R? Can you label what is R?
10.
Huh? 10. Yes. So it's pi 10 square. And this is going to give you 100 pi. Can you move your cursor away, please? Okay, so 100 pi is the circle, right? We want to find semicircle, right?
Yeah.
So you need to take 100 pi divided by 2. So it's 50 pi. Then you use your calculator. What's the answer? You are wrong here because this is not a hemisphere. Okay, did the question mention there is a hemisphere in this case? Yes or no?
No.
No. If no, then why you use the 2/3 pi r cube or 2/3 pi r square? So no reason to use that formula. But anyway, you can write down the 50 pi already. Okay, not enough space, just make use of the entire length here. Okay, then write down the final 3 significant 3 SF. Hey, by the way, Thursday, what time you finish school today?
Today.
Yeah.
12:50.
Oh, so early? 为什么?
Cause EOY.
Oh, end of year.
Yeah.
Oh, so end of year is like you just go there, finish your exam, then you can come back already, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, understand. Okay, so now what you do is you just add this with your this 400. That will be the area of this. So this will answer your part A. Okay? So 157.679 plus 400. Okay? No, you don't need to do. So the volume. What's the volume of prism formula? Can you still remember? Can you remember or not?
Volume of prism.
Yeah? Formula. You see, you cannot.
Volume of prism.
Ah.
The
什么? is base area times the height. So the base area is, which one is the base? This one, no? The 1 and the 2, no? So it's from here. So it's 557.679. What's the height? This one or this one? Can you label the height? Which one is the height? Which one is the height? This one or this one? So 20 or 50? 来 Which one is the height? Yes. Why? 为什么是这里？
Because if 20 is the height.
Because how you cut this thing? You say you cut like this. You cut like this, right?
Yeah.
You say you cut like this, right?
Yeah.
So can you see if you cut like this? Can you see that all your pieces you cut? This is the height, right?
Yeah.
Am I right? So if you say 20 is the height, can you move the cursor away? Can you move your cursor away? Yep. So if you say 20 is the height, right? What you are how you cut is this. Are you cutting it this way?
No.
Yep. So if you are not cutting it this way, you cannot consider 20 as the height. So the height comes from how you cut it. Your first piece you cut is this way, right? Here, right? Then you continue until the last one, right? So this is the height. Understand?
Yeah.
Yep, so the height is actually 50. And then just use your calculator, then you get the volume. Total surface area, yeah, what strategy you use? Can you see you have the front? This is the front. And you have the back, right?
Yeah.
Can you see you have the top over here? Which is half of the cylinder. Then you have the right side, which is a rectangle. Then of course you have the left side also, right? And then you just have to find each of this and then add up, right? Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Does it make sense to you? Yep. So you just have to find each and then add up. Okay? Okay, good. Can you check whether you have your materials? Additional material? Yep, yes. No problem. I'll go and get myself a drink also. So if you have that, you can send over through WhatsApp. Yeah. So what I need you to do, right, for this homework 33, I think. So you need to revise for the prism and the first question, which is the pyramid, the cone and the sphere. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I sent over.
Yep.
Already.
Yep. Okay. So I want you to do revision on these several questions. Okay. The volume, the surface area, and for the cone, for the pyramid, for the prism. Okay. Because it's very likely to be. I mean, you sure will face one of this, or maybe all of this. Okay, let me take a look at this. And do you know how you insert this You know how you insert the PDF to this mirror or not? Do you know or not?
There's a upload.
Yep, yes, upload, yes. Okay, so I see your this materials and is basically all questions have answers, right? Then
Yeah.
do you have any questions on any particular question? Okay. Let me upload this. I see they have a pyramid question. And the pyramid question is very similar to ours. You see? That's what I say. So you need to do revision on my this homework 33. Very, very likely to come out. And so let me Fajar secondary school. I don't know where is this, but never mind. Okay, let me extract it out. Can you see? How do I rotate? Oh yes. Can you see the pyramid question already? Come down, come down. Okay, yes. Can you see the pyramid question 16?
Yeah.
Can you see that they say this is a square, so this is 10. This is also 10. Can you see that? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Then they say given that the volume of the pyramid is 400. So what's the formula for pyramid? They give you the formula. 1/3 base area times height, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So don't look at this. Let me just upload again. Okay, so can you see the question? I overlay the question on top of the PDF. So you should be looking at this. So over here it says it's 10, right? So the formula for pyramid is 1/3 times base area times height. Clear?
Yeah.
So in this case, right, they ask you to calculate the height. They give you the volume. So therefore, you write down the formula first. Okay. So they say the volume is 400, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Then you put the 400 to the volume here. Equal. Then 1/3 is 1/3. The base area. What is the base area? Can you tell me what's the base area? What's the base area? What shape? Huh? What's this base area? Huh? 10 times.
10.
Very good. So that's how.
100.
Then the height is the height. So you just continue. 400 is equal to 1/3 times 100 times height. So 400. Continue to use your calculator. Is 100 over 3 times the height. So far so good.
Yeah.
Okay. What you do next is. Can you see that you need to find the height? They say calculate the height, right?
Yeah.
So how do you get from this to the height? You divide by. Can you see that you divide by 100 over 3? So therefore the this side also need to divide by 100 over 3. So 400 divided by 100 over 3, what's the answer? So that's the height. What's the answer?
One.
Huh? 400 divided by...
Oh. 12.
Yeah, 12. So the height is 12. Okay, good. Now, you need to take out this thing. So the height is 12. So that means what I'm trying to tell you is this. So if you take out the VBC. So VBC, I try to draw it out. VBC. The height is this one. Hey, no, Wait, the height is not this one leh. I just realized the height is this one leh. The height is this one. This is 12, right?
Yeah.
And then this is what? The entire thing is 10, so half of it is? Half of it is how much? Here. Hello. The height is 12. NM is how much? This is 10. This is
5.
5. So you can extract this out. VNM. So just extract it out. This is 12. This is 5. So what is your VM? Question mark. So can you label the ABC in the extracted triangle? Here. Oh no, I asked you to label first. Don't give the formula first. Label first. Huh? 12 is the C? Are you sure or not? Which one is the longer side? Yes. Okay. So how do you identify the longer side? The longer side is always The longer side is always opposite to the right angle. So if you have the right angle here, the opposite side is always the C. So C is opposite to the right angle. Okay? So after that, then you can plug in ABC. Then you can get your VM already. Quick. So it's 13. Okay, very good. So that means your this okay, good. So that means your VBC VBC is here. Okay. So this is M. So VM turned out to be 13. So it's 13. BC is 10. So I think you can find out the area of this triangle already. So what's the area of this triangle? Which one is the base? Here. Can you circle the base? Here. Which one is the base? Very good. Which is 10. Which one is the height? Yep, which is? I asked you to circle, right? Very good. Okay, so basically it's half times base times height. Will give you the area of this thing. So it's half times 10 times 13. So it's 5 times 13. So it's 65. So this is one of them, right? How many? So that means you have figure out this one. No? So you have figured out this one if I use the color to color it. This is the right. This side is called the right, which is 65 cm square. And how many? So I think, not I think, like it's the same. So the front part is also 65. the left hand side is also 65, then the back is also 65. So basically you just add all these up plus the below. That will be the surface area of the total pyramid. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why your teacher open it up like this. So basically if you have a pyramid, right, you open it up to this one, no? So this is 65, this is 65, this is 65, 65, then this is 100. So you just add all this up, you get the total surface area. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So that's why you see your teacher. Okay, so it's the same strategy. This is the back, this is the front, this is the right, and this is the left, and 100 is the base. There is no top lah. Huh? There's no top, right? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. So yes. So do you have other questions from your this paper? Or have you taken a look at it, or you have not? Huh? No time to take a look at it. Got time to take a look at it, or not? Or just don't bother or what?
I was practicing for.
Yeah. Okay, never mind. So just now I remember. By the way, your this paper is very similar to my homework 13. Just now you talk about you know how to solve the simultaneous equation, right? Okay, now I test you. Since you say you know, and now I'm going to give you a question. I'm going to test you. I want to see whether you really know or not. Okay, I'm going to move it to the right hand side. Can you see the two equation? Here. Yep. Can you do it on the right of this image? Can you do it now?
Okay.
I want you to use substitution. You know what's substitution, right? Can you still remember substitution or not?
I need to sub in the.
Correct. Yep. Good. Please do it. Let me see if you really can remember substitution. Do it here. Below the arrow. Yep, good. Label 1 and 2. Very good. Actually, the 1 and 2 must be with a circle. Yes. Right then. Are you referring to your notes or something?
No.
Okay, then what are you waiting for? Why so slow? You cannot remember how to do substitution? I think it's not very smart to move the x. I think it's better to move the 5y over. Do you know why move the 5y over better?
Because if you move the x,
Yep.
this is the 7 minus x.
Yep. And then you have, okay, so basically if you, okay, never mind, you move the 5y, I show you move the x. I show you on the on this side. So in a way we collaborate. I will show you why it's not very smart to move the x. Okay, so compare your this to my this. Which one is better for substitution? The x is better for substitution or 5y is better for substitution? Because you are going to sub this into your 2, right?
X.
Yes. Because can you see you have an x here already, right?
Yeah.
Do you have a 5y here? No.
No.
So therefore this not so smart. That's why I asked you to move the 5y over. So therefore now can you sub in now? Just right below, yes. I thought you said you want to sub the x. 你在做什么？ This is your x, right?
Oh yeah.
That means you should get rid of the x with the whole thing, 7 minus 5y. Because you say you want to replace the x, right? So you should replace the x. Okay, good. Continue. Continue. Open the bracket. Wait, 你在做什么？ You're not doing times You're doing plus You're doing plus. You don't anyhow do, okay? Times is arrow, okay? Plus no need arrow one. Continue. Very good. So y equals to 1, x is equal to x equal to 2. Can you use your calculator to double check whether your answers are right or not? How much battery I have? Okay, 10. Very good.
Yeah.
Yep, good. So that's how you use substitution. Okay? So actually I have glanced through your these additional revision materials. They are very similar. Okay, very similar to my this homework 33. So I want you to go back and revise homework 33 before you attempt your this additional materials. Understand?
Okay.
Okay, good. So I just want to elaborate one more question, then we can call it a day. Okay, I see this the dot diagram is very simple, no need. You don't copy the question, okay? I mean you don't copy the answers also, okay? Oh, just now we have the inequality question. You make the mistake of changing the inequality sign without dividing the negative number, right? You remember? You remember just now it's like
Yeah.
this. 4x is bigger or equal to 8. Then you divide by 4, right? And then you divide by 4, right? Or divide by 8. Sorry, divide by 8. I'm sorry. I remember already. Divide by 8, right? And then you go and switch the sign. I mean switch the inequality sign, right? You don't need to 不用不用So because it's not negative number on both sides. So divided by 8 is 1. Divided by 8 is x. So can I ask you, how do you represent this on a number line? Can you try it below? X bigger or equal to 1. Can you show me? Number line. By the way, you're supposed to use a ruler, but over here we are not so strict about it. Okay? Continue. You don't have to give so many numbers lah, because they only want 1 they only want 1, so you just give like probably just give you -1 and 1 is enough and 0, yes. Then how? Next. Wait, empty circle or solid circle? How do you decide? Empty or solid circle? Answer my question. This one. Empty or solid?
Empty.
Why empty? Why not solid? What the question says? Question says what?
X.
X what?
At least.
What is this sign?
At least.
No,
Or.
this is bigger and equal. 你在讲什么？
Yeah.
Can you repeat?
Bigger than and equal.
Yes. So when you have bigger and equal, that means you have equal. So one is included, right?
Yeah.
So therefore, if it is included, you need to solid it. Understand?
Yes.
If there is no equal, just bigger. What's the answer? Empty or solid?
So empty.
Why empty?
Because it's not.
Because
equal.
there is no equal. Yes. So basically, what you need to remember next time is, okay, this one is bigger. Solid circle means bigger and equal actually. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So this one is just bigger. Then this one is bigger and equal. So all you need to remember is if you have the equal sign, right, it's solid. Okay? Solid circle. If there is no equal sign, it's just hollow. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Does it make sense? Okay, good. Okay, good. So okay. So your mom asked for a additional lesson on the 5th, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So may I know on the 5th that day, I think you have your EOY end of year. On the 5th that day, what time you finish school? On the 5th actually is like Wednesday.
Let me.
Yeah, please check. Please check. I'm going to
On the 5th, there's no EOI for that.
So Wednesday, 5th.
Wednesday, I end at
Normal school day.
2:15.
So it's a normal school day, is it you are talking about?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a normal school day for you, right? 2:15.
Mm.
So what time you reach home? 3.
Around.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Okay, I would talk with your mom. Okay, what I am thinking is because I want to see you face to face before your 6. I think 6 is your exam, right? Thursday.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to see you face to face. So probably I will ask if you can come over. So you 2:15 you finish. You just come over like 3:30. Then we will finish like 5:30. Then you go home because I really want to see you face to face and then make sure that your notebook has all the formulas and then make sure you memorize all your formulas and memorize your notes. Okay? Okay? I will talk to your mom first. Can?
Okay.
Yep.